Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome to another episode of how to build the Fast and Furious Eclipse. Today we're gonna focus on the engine dress-up kit. So this is basically a movie accurate 428 engine like they had it in the movie. This is bone stock. The only thing I replace is those coil wires, and that's pretty much it. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to do all those blue covers for the hoses, the silver ones they had in the movie, another exhaust manifold, the valve cover, the intake, whatever we can do to make it look more presentable and better looking like it was in the movie. So stay tuned and check it out. So basically we got a bunch of parts over here. Thanks to our really good friend Jeremy Willis. This video, buddy, is dedicated to you. Jeremy really helped me out to get pretty much everything you see here. He's such an amazing guy. He's such a Fast and Furious fanatic, and he has this ability to find stuff that, you know, it takes me weeks or maybe months to go online and find the exact correct parts or like replica parts. So basically we got some hose covering, we got a special kit for the water lines, we got some spark plugs that we're gonna change. We might as well, we got some blue to paint the like the hood rod and a bunch of stuff. We got the polished valve cover, we got the exhaust manifold. That doesn't change anything, no catalytic converters, delete or anything, it's just piping, that's it. We got this we're probably going to do in a different episode. That's the gas door gasket. We got the exhaust breather. That's again, this is for an interior episode. So we're going to do the pedals, we're going to do the shift knob, we're going to do the seats, we're going to do the steering wheel. We got the intake manifold over here, and then specifically I have a cracked tail light. So my buddy John from Miami got me another one, and we're going to replace that too. So let's do it. Okay, so for the hood rod, basically we're gonna paint it blue. I just took it out, cut out the rubber band off of it, took a 100 grade sandpaper, sanded it down a little bit. Now I'm gonna give it. So basically we took the car out and give it a good pressure wash because it was a bit dirty. Luckily for us, we have Elshad, our best friend from, what was the name of the company?
Mr. Echo Steam.
Mr. Echo Steam, you see? I was blessed enough to have a professional detailer on board. So we detailed the car a little bit, we detailed the engine bay, we pressure washed it, we used the G Technique tar remover to get all the gunky stuff out. Now it's time to install the new manifold. All right, so 5 minutes or 17 hours later, this is the final result. Basically, it took us a little bit longer than we anticipated, always, because we ended up doing some maintenance on the car. We flushed the radiator, we replaced all the coolant in it. We had the guys detailing the engine bay to take off like some old oil leak that we had. But the final thing came up great. We ended up doing like all those little hoses. We painted up the coolant reservoir. We got the valve cover on. We got the new spark plugs, new spark wires, intake, manifold, exhaust, some other covers. Came out great. And for the last piece of the puzzle, you can see some red marks from when the car was red before. These screws will go back and we're done. So stay tuned. This episode, like I said, was dedicated to my buddy Jeremy that actually helped me get everything here. Thank you, Jeremy, from the bottom of my heart. Also, I wanted to give a special thanks to all my recent Russian followers. I'm very humbled to have all you guys commenting. Thank you for tuning in. Spasibo bolshoy. That's all I know to say. The other stuff I know to say is pretty bad, so I shouldn't be saying that. Thank you so much, guys. Like I said, like, subscribe, ask questions. If you want to know specific stuff, please do so. Next episode, probably gonna continue on and do the interior. Let's go. Thank you for watching.